So yeah, guys.
This Christmas.
Hey my loves, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I wanted to switch it up a little bit and run the fireplace and make it really cozy while I do an unboxing. Now, if this is your first time joining me, hello girl, my name is D Lovely. Please think about subscribing before you leave this video. Alright, because your girl got some more luxury gifts coming up soon, and I know you don't want to miss out on the review. All right, so let's just jump into this unboxing. Now here I have a really nice Louis Vuitton gift wrap in this box, and I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it and share with you guys what it is. Alright, so if you know anything about Louis Vuitton, you know it comes in an orange box, and also it comes with this really nice ribbon. Now, if you do not want to destroy the ribbon the way the bow is, what I like to do is just bring it down and open it. Just take the ribbon off if you just bring it down. So now that we have the ribbon off, inside the box is a dust bag of a nice gift. So let's see. All right. So inside you will get a dust bag of whatever item that you are receiving, and inside this dust bag is a really nice red monogram, red, brown, and gold monogram Louis Vuitton bucket bag. All right, guys, I wanted to move in a little bit closer so I can make sure you guys see me. But yeah, guys, this is the bucket bag, and the proper name of this red trim monogram bag is the neonoe. I'm sure I am not pronouncing the bag correctly, the bag name correctly, but I will leave it down below. But yeah, guys, this is the bucket bag, and I really like how well designed and unique this is. It is a red trim handle, and it has your red drawstrings, which I love red, so when I seen it I had to pick it up. It has your gold metal trim rings with the Louis Vuitton stamp engraved on the metal circles. Now inside of this bag you have a zip compartment that will allow you to put change in that compartment or any small item, and then you also have a bigger compartment to put your cell phone in, your car keys, and anything else that you desire to put in this bag. Now guys, I want to go ahead and let you know that I have worn this bag before I actually am doing this review, because I wanted to give you my honest opinion on how I feel about this bag, and I really truly like it. I think it's well quality. The cool thing I like about it is that it has adjustable straps, so whenever you feel like making it a crossbody to make it longer, you just unsnap it on both sides, and there you have it, a longer version of this bag to crossbody it or just have it on one shoulder. It's completely designed for your taste. And once you are done with that, and whenever you want to convert it over to a shorter version, you just take the straps back in. Simple as 1, 2, 3. So yeah, guys, this is a well-designed leather bag that Louis Vuitton has made for an everyday look, and I absolutely love it. It's an upgrade in my closet because I definitely needed a bigger bag. All I had was smaller bags, so it was becoming a problem that I couldn't fit everything I needed inside of my bags. But this bag will last you a lifetime if you take care of it, if you put it back in a dust bag when you're not using it, and wipe it down with the leather cleaner, and you have a perfect lifetime Louis Vuitton monogram bag. I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. Please give me a like for this video. Comment down below if you're into luxury items. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.